What child is this who laid to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping, whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch our keeping? This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him praise, the babe, the Son of Mary. Why lies he in such mean estate, where ox and lamb are feeding? The Christians fear, for sinners fear, the silent word is pleading. Raise, raise the song on high, the Virgin sings a lullaby. Joy, joy, for Christ is born, the babe, the Son of Mary. So bring him incense, gold, and myrrh. Come, peasant king, to honor him. The King of kings salvation brings. Let love